everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Hope you're all doing well and having a fantastic day, enjoying this beautiful glorious weather that we're getting right now in the UK. It's been absolutely amazing, but it is hot. I'm already getting hot, I'm already getting sweaty, and I've challenged myself to bring you this Pep and Co try on haul. Now I'm doing this without a ring light, so excuse how I'm looking right now. This is just the real deal. I can't really put the ring light on right now because it's just super hot right now in my room. The whole house is hot, to be fair. I've got the windows open, the breeze is blowing through, but I'm still boiling hot, guys. It's hot. It's about 31 degrees today as I'm filming. So I've got a Pep and Co haul for you, try on haul, Pep and Co fashion try on haul. I picked up some really lovely bits for my summer holidays and just for the summer in general, and I thought I'd share them with you because, you know, Poundland Pep and Co. A lot of people still don't know that Poundland do a fashion line which is called Pep and Co, and the clothes are of very good quality. I've picked up some bits for myself, some bits for my little son Oakley, and also some bits for my husband. But today I'm going to be sharing with you the items that I picked up for myself from Pep and Co, and they're just absolutely amazing. Okay, so the first item I picked up is this dress. So before I show you this beautiful dress that I picked up in Pep and Co, this video is also in collaboration with the gorgeous Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life. So Marcia has also picked up some lovely beautiful items from Pep and Co as well, and she's going to be sharing them with you on her video today. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Marcia, Marcia has a lifestyle channel. On her channel you can find her doing come shop with me's, lots of fashion hauls and lots of shopping hauls as well. Okay, so after watching this video, do pop over and check out Marcia's video. I will leave a link to her video in the description box below. You can also see what she's picked up in Pep and Co. So back to the try on haul now. This dress, this lovely gorgeous denim dress, is from Pep and Co, and I just absolutely love it. Since I've bought this dress, I've worn it so many times. I get so many compliments about this dress. It's such an easy dress to wear. You just pop it on. It goes with, like, you can wear Converse with it, you can wear sandals, you can wear trainers, and you know, you're good to go. It's such a simple dress to wear, but also very beautiful and really nicely designed as well. So I'll put a clip of all the items that I'm going to be trying on. I just find it a little bit easier to do it that way rather than cover the whole screen, you know, because I can't actually do a full length on the screen like this way, if you get what I mean. So I'll put the clip just on the side here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how this dress looks on me, and it's just absolutely beautiful. I'm really sweating, I'm really struggling here. Anyway, the dress is really lovely on. It's a nice flowy dress, got 2 layers how they've designed it. Lovely v-neck on it as well, and these nice sleeves that are not too clingy to your arms. I just absolutely love this, and it goes really nice with the sandals that I also picked up in Pep and Co, which I've got on now, which are these. Now these are also so gorgeous from Pep and Co. These came in at £8, and I've got them in a size 6, and they fit really nice. They're comfortable. I've worn these all days without them hurting my feet or anything. Really lovely sandals. So yeah, Pep and Co are absolutely killing it at the minute, you know. Okay, so I'm really struggling to show you the items and try on the items because I'm really boiling hot. So I need to find my fan. If I get my fan, I'll be all right. If you can hear engine noise going on, I've got my fan just on the side of me here, and this fan is just absolutely amazing. It really helps me a lot. Actually, I might just put it on the side of my dressing table, on my bedside table there, so it can fan me while I'm doing this. Yeah, so excuse the kind of noise in the background. That's the fan going. Otherwise, I can't do this. Anyways, I'm going to try and show you the next item. I also picked up these denim shorts. Now they're high-waisted, and they're kind of like the paper, they call it paper bag waist with that kind of gathering on it, and I just absolutely love these. Now I've actually taken the tag off of this one. I wonder how much these were. So I really want to say that these were £10, but I'm not even sure. I took the tag off of this one because I've worn them once already, and they're just so comfortable on. It also comes with this belt. You've got large pockets at the back, and then you've got 2 good sized pockets at the front as well, which you can put your mobile phone in, your keys, you know, if you're going on a walk, you can just have your essentials with you, you know. So yeah, absolutely loved it. Next up, I also picked up this white denim jacket, and again, I just absolutely love a white denim jacket. Now this goes really well with the shorts that I'm going to show you. I think I've left them in the other room, but I'll show you the white shorts that I've also got from Pep and Co. The white is actually, it's kind of like an off-white, it's kind of like an ivory colour. It fits really well, which I'll show you soon in the try-on. This was £12 in Pep and Co, and I just absolutely love it. Now this is absolutely gorgeous. It's in a lovely rust orange colour. This, I got this in a size medium, and this was £6. So it's a nice top with a tie bottom or tie front. It's a nice top with a tie front like that, and then on the sleeves you've got this kind of like wavy kind of gathered detail on there. And this is just so nice and cool to wear. Again, you can wear this with jeans, you can wear it with shorts. You know, it's just really nice top and so comfortable to wear as well. And yeah, I think I said that already. Got it in the medium, and that was £6. Next up, I picked up this top in the sale in Pep and Co. Now this was only £1. Okay, and I just got it for the holiday, again, to wear with shorts or to wear with cycling shorts as well. £1, I really couldn't go wrong. I like the shape of it. It's like off the shoulder top, like all the colours in there as well. And yeah, Pep and Co. Okay, so the next item is something that I showed you in my previous Poundland and Pep and Co haul, and it's this lovely tropical play suit in the black and the white, the monochrome. Just absolutely love this. The material's really lovely. It's got tie shoulders. It's got the tie shoulders on the top there where you can adjust it to your size, and it's really nice on, really comfortable on with a pair of flip-flops. Good to go. And again, I'm really sorry about the prices. I've taken a lot of the tags off because I'm ready to pack these into my suitcase, and I've actually worn this already as well. So I want to say that this was £8 in Pep and Co. Yes, and I got it in a size large because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized. Okay, so the next item that I picked up in Pep and Co was this beautiful summer dress. Now this dress is so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. It's a nice flowy, bright coloured floral dress. Now this is not cotton, it's mixed cotton and polyester, but again, I've got it in an oversized so it's not clinging to me, and it's been more comfortable. It's £7. It was the only one left, and I got it in a size 20, guys, but it fits well. It fits well. I wear normally a size 14, like pushing out from a 12 to a 14, but this size 20 fits me well without it being too clingy, as I said. And for £7, I couldn't go wrong. I had to get this dress. It's so beautiful. So yep, so I've got that as well. You can actually wear it off the shoulders, or you can just wear it on your shoulders. You can wear one shoulder up, and you can also wear it as one shoulder down. So yep, so I've got that as well. So lovely. Okay, the next item I picked up is actually sleepwear, but I'm actually going to be wearing it as a dress because I got it as an oversized dress. Okay, well, to be fair, they didn't have any in my size, so I picked it up in a 16 to 18. This was £5. Okay, so it's like a night, it is a night dress, but I'm going to wear it as a summer dress because I just think it's so beautiful just to wear, you know, down onto the beach. You know, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so that's it there. Nice floral design. You've got these pom-pom detail going around the front there as well. Lovely tropical print. £5, and the best bit is it's cotton. It's 100% cotton, guys. It fits perfectly as a dress, you know, so I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, so the next item I picked up were these lovely high-waisted trousers. They have a belt attached to them as well, so you can tie it around the waist. They're just absolutely gorgeous. It's like in a linen fabric, like an oatmeal linen fabric. So gorgeous and really good quality. I absolutely love these. So these, I've got them in my correct size, in a size 12, and these were £12. Okay, so the next item I picked up in Pep and Co was another pair of trousers. These are chinos, but they got cuff legs and they got a lovely shape to them. I just absolutely love them on. Absolutely stunning, again with a white vest top or the same color vest top to kind of make it into a jumpsuit. And I've got them in a size 14, and these were £14 as well. It's got a drawstring at the front. You've got two big pockets at the waist side, and you've got two pockets on either side just below, just above the knee. And then at the back, you've got two nice size pockets as well. Really nice, really nicely made. and again 100% cotton. Love those. Okay, so the next item I picked up in Pep and Co was the white shorts that I've been talking about. Now these shorts are just absolutely gorgeous on. They're not as like heavy material as the denim jacket that I showed you. They're more like a kind of like a heavy cotton, I would say, but not denim. But they're just so lovely on and so comfortable to wear as well. Now these came in at £6 at Pep and Co. I got these in a size 14. They fit really nice. I've worn them several times already. They're just so comfortable. They're slightly turned up at the legs as well. You know, pocket on the side and then pockets at the back as well. Really nice. I've got those from Pep and Co as well. So the last items that I picked up was this set of 2 vest tops. Now this came in at £6 for the pack of 2, and I got them in a size medium. So you've got this navy blue and white striped one, and then you've also got this black and white striped vest top as well. And they like really good quality vest top. And these were £6. I got them in a size medium. £6 for a pack of 2, really good quality. Okay guys, so that's my last item from this Pep and Co haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know which was your favorite item from this haul. I absolutely love this denim dress just because of the quality of it and how much wear that I've actually got from it already. You know, they're also comfortable to wear because most of them are cotton and really affordable as well, guys. So don't underestimate Pep and Co, guys. You can find some amazing items in there, amazing clothing items for yourself, for your family, for your children. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Do give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. Thank you for those of you that have already subscribed and have been following me on this YouTube journey. I appreciate every single one of you. Also guys, don't forget to check out Marcia's video. There's going to be a link to Marcia's video in the description box below, so go ahead and show Marcia some love. Subscribe to her channel, let her know that I sent you over. She'll much appreciate it. So thanks for watching, take care, enjoy the sunshine, and I shall see you very soon on the next video. Bye.